Hello, old man with shavy hair. I'm going to keep this like this, it's good. Could have a little bit here. See? Could have a little bit here. That's a goatee, isn't it? I don't know. I don't know if it's a goatee. Blood, I tell you, blood. I might be bleeding, but I'm a man, I can take it. Oh, plaster. There's a plaster. There's a plaster. Okay, shave and a hair wash. The rest you won't want to watch. Here we go. It's warm. The water is warm. It's not hot, it's warm. And very pleasant. I find these scary. A mirror up there, which is nice, but it did frighten me yesterday when I used it. This is the that's that stuff you put on your hands to wash your hands. So it's good. That's good. We have the toilet roll, and then we have the toilet with the super duper pushy. Okay, the next bit I won't put you through.